Hello guys, if you are viewing this channel for the first time, go ahead to subscribe and smash the notification icon as I give weekly review. And today I'll be giving you a walk down on how to log in on Exness, because of one thing is to trade properly, one is to trade with a reputable broker, a broker that will really serve you well. So today I'll be giving you this video on how to log in or register on Exness. So for me to get the right app or to get the right website for this login or this registration, I have to go get the link. So you can also get the link on this video description. Just go to the link and tag the link. This link will either put you on a website or take you to Play Store so you can get the app. So you see that I should either use Palm Store or Google Play Store. So I go on Google Play Store just once. So I hit install. So this app will install. Okay, now it's installing. So we can go to this open button right here and click it. So it takes us to the app that we've installed. So say allow Exness for allow. So it tells you register or sign in. So if you have an account before, you sign in. But for those who does not have an account with Exness, so you just go to register. Okay, you declare, choose your country of residence, Nigeria. So you click on continue. So they'll tell you the email you want to use. I'll use continue. Then they'll tell you to create a password. So I'll use this. Then use. Okay. Make sure you use a password that has both an uppercase and a lowercase alphabet, has signs and also have numbers. So create a very strong password, then click on continue. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it gets here. Now you've created an account. So if you finally get to this point, you have successfully created an account with Exness. So I wish you guys a happy trading and a happy trading journey. Just keep going, guys.